This is my setup here after doing my 800 watt spindle conversion. So you see I've got the HY 800 watt spindle here. It's a 65 millimeter spindle, so it's a drop-in right into the standard Makita mount on the Shapeoko. I have the XXL. I got mine. It has the Z Plus Z-axis. Otherwise, it's totally stock. Got the VFD up here, so that's off right now. Got the monitor over here. I have my dust collection coming in through here, so I've got a Harbor Freight dust collector down there. You can tell that that's pretty quiet. It's running now. I'm just speaking at like a normal volume, and you know, it's not overpowering me too much. This is like a conversational level of speech. I've got the Rockler dust separator here that feeds into that, and then on the inside in here I've got just the vacuum hose kind of coming through into here. I got a little mount for the bit zero over here. Got the bit setter here. I've actually hit this thing with it running a couple times, so I put just a piece of tape over it. It just measures an offset, so it doesn't matter if the button's a little bit worn. The offset is going to be still measured, you know, correctly. The enclosure is just built out of half-inch soundboard with a half-inch OSB on top of that, just all the way around. And then I've got a 3/4 of an inch MDF, and then just a standard little 2x4 frame underneath that, and then another 3/4 MDF down there. Yeah, so let's fire up the spindle and see what the volume level of that's like. So I run everything as fast as I can. So this is going to be running at 24,000 RPM. So we'll fire that guy up. Actually, what we'll do, let's stop that. I've got a job that I'm about to run. I've already zeroed this out, so I'm actually going to start the job here. So we'll just start job, start. It's already got the tool in there. It's going to get the initial offset off the bit setter just to figure out where that tool is. So then when I switch to a ball nose later, it knows the offset from the zero that I got with my bit probe. Back over here, tell me to turn the spindle on, so we'll go ahead and set that, and we'll just see how loud it gets. So this is incredibly quiet compared to the stock you know, carbide 3D router. I mean, I'm still talking in a normal voice. My enclosure's open, so you know, it's not dampening at all, and we're already up to speed. We're at 24,000 RPM. And you can still hear me even with the dust collector running and my spindle running, and I'm not talking any louder. So let's go ahead, let's hit resume. So we're going to start cutting, and it's going to cut 4 millimeters deep. This is adaptive from Fusion 360. So it's going to do a 4 millimeter max step down, and this thing just tears through hard walnut. It's just fast. Good power. So we'll close up the enclosure now. So with the enclosure closed up, I mean, I can whisper in here and you can hear me. You know, it's really quiet in here. Anyway, so yeah, that's my setup. Let me know if you guys have questions about the VFD installation. It's pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot to it. It's just knowing where to put the wires. Yeah, that's it.